Hi class, this is course 3, lesson 27, laws of exponents. What you see is what we're going to do today. Just one slide, so this should go fairly quickly. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 laws of exponents that we need to cover today. The first one, x to the a power times x to the b power equals x to the a plus b power. Okay, and that might be confusing for you because it's x's and a's and b's, but this statement here just says that if you have the same bases you are multiplying, you add the exponent. So let's see this in practice with real numbers. So if we have 3 to the 4th power times 3 to the 2nd power, the bases are the same and we are multiplying. So we end up with 3, this base stays the same, and we add the exponents. So we'd end up with 4 plus 2, which would then be 3 to the 6th power. And we can evaluate that by taking 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we're taking 9 times 9 times 9. We are taking 81 times 9, which is 729. So depending on how the answer is asked, you might be able to write it as an exponential expression, or you might have to evaluate it to give me the number. Okay, so that was the first law that we're going to talk about. The second one right here says x to the a power divided by x to the b power is going to equal x to the a minus b power. Now the thing here is that x cannot be 0 because we cannot divide by 0. So let's try 7 to the 4th power divided by 7 squared, 7 to the 2nd power. Again, in order to use this law of exponents, our bases must be the same. Our bases are the same, we are dividing, so this is the same thing as 7 to the 4th minus 2 power, which is 7 squared, which is 49. Okay, this next law that we will talk about is if we have x to the a power, and that is all to the b power. So we have the quantity x squared, or x to the a power to the b power. We have a power to another power. When that happens, you take the base and you multiply your exponents. So let's take a look at, what if this were 2 cubed to the 4th power? Well, using our law, that means that this is 2 to the 3 times 4 power, which is 2 to the 12th power. And you can evaluate that out to get a number as well. On the calculator, if you do this on a calculator, you would put 2 and then it's the little caret button, and then a 12, and then hit the equal sign. What you're doing here is you are really taking 2 cubed, that quantity, 4 times. So you're really taking 2 times 2 times 2. That's one set, right? And then we're going to multiply that again times, that's twice. And then we're going to take 2 times 2 times 2, that's 3 times. And that's 4 times. So this is 2 cubed. And this is 2 cubed. And this is 2 cubed. And again 2 cubed. And we're going to multiply those together 4 times. So that's what we're really doing with this quick shortcut using the law of exponents. And the last thing that you need to know is that anytime you have any number excepting 0, I believe, but let's just go along the basis of if you have a number to a 0 power, the answer will always be 1. So if we have 3 to the 0 power, that will be 1. If you have 12 to the 0 power, that's 1. If you have x to the 0 power, that's 1. If you have 1 to the 0 power, that's 1. okay? Any number to the 0 power is going to be 1. And that's it. So this is what we'll do in class. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you then.